Welcome back, vlog. It's been a minute.
What up? Wow, lots changed since the last vlog. When was the last vlog?
I think it was. What was the last race? Seattle?
Seattle, yeah. Well, after Seattle, we had a couple weeks off and had a crash happen, and I ended up dislocating my shoulder and tore my labrum. So I had surgery about 3 weeks ago now.
Just got out of his sling.
Just got out of my sling a couple days ago, so that's nice. Just started physical therapy, so we've been working to get that better, and we went to Nashville last weekend to help Maddie's sister, my sister-in-law, out a little bit and hang out for a bit.
Had our first little trip.
Yeah, we had a little road trip back. And
I forget that we road tripped back already. So, it was a, how many hour drive? 28? 30?
29.
29 hour drive. We did it in a day and a half. And we crushed it. Found a sweet cookie in Oklahoma City. So I got like 6 cookies.
Everyone knows Maddie was stoked on that.
Yep.
I think she just finished her last cookie yesterday.
Yeah.
For breakfast.
Yep.
Yeah, we don't have a lot of plans for the summer. Obviously, our plans changed quickly as they can with my job. So we're gonna try and do some fun stuff, do a little living maybe. It's tough for me sometimes, but yeah. So it's Sunday right now, and we're headed over to Lido, to Newport Beach, to grab some brunch, hang out.
Yeah, so we thought we would take you guys along for the first vlog of the summer. Happy Sunday.
Ooh, I'm gonna get a coffee from Blue Bottle.
I'm gonna get a coffee from Hearst. Maybe a Swedish cinnamon roll.
Or are you gonna go to Dose? You're not getting a Swedish cinnamon.
A dose? Oh, a microdose.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's this coffee shop in Orange County area.
Called Coffee Dose.
It's called Coffee Dose. They have a few locations, and it is no joke my favorite coffee ever. It used to be right by Dr. G, but that location closed, and they just opened a drive-through like right when you get on the freeway in Newport, so like coming home. So that's my spot. It's the only coffee that I am pretty much guaranteed to drink the entire thing.
Close to the entire thing.
I mean, there's like that much left at the bottom, but usually I'm like a half girl.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good.
Favorite spot?
Look at their espresso machine is green checkered.
Let's see.
If I had to make a custom espresso machine, that's what it would be. Here she is. They always have cute stickers on the cup. You can guess what that word is. It has some sweet cream on top. I'm happy.
Headed to Spectrum?
Irvine Spectrum. Our spot.
That's where we went right before we got engaged.
Aww.
Got coffee there.
Yep. And Cameron acted like he forgot his wallet in the car, so he went to the car and put the ring box in his underwear. So I wouldn't find it in the car. Cute stories. to film my spring outfit series. This is what I'm wearing today. This striped shirt from Brandy Melville. I'm super into Brandy lately. Takes me back to middle school. These pants I just got at Urban the other day. And then this jacket I wear all the time from Revolve. I've had this for like a year or two. I don't remember. So, this is behind the scenes of filming my outfit videos. Whoa. On CapCut, and then I post it to Instagram. It was 100 degrees here last week, and now it's back down to the 60s. Might not even be 60 yet. No, it's 53 right now, so not sure what's happening there. I went to the hair salon this morning because my friend Sarah does my hair, and she does my mom's hair, and now she's doing my sister's hair. So my sister's getting her hair done by her for the first time today. So I went and stopped by to say hello.
This is life as we know it. It hurts so bad.
Everyone says this machine hurts.
What's that?
Everyone says this machine hurts.
It does. It's like a weird, like, I don't even know how to explain it. It almost feels like a tennis machine, but different. Like fights against your muscles. It's weird.
No. Yeah, that fire anchor, you have to look at that. Yeah, so it's the one we got. Go back there and do chicken wing. Yeah. It's Newport Harbor. Newport Harbor Big Fun Association, so that's when we leave. Yeah. There you go. You just got to tell your brain. There you go. Now I want you to kind of do circular motion. Good.
It gets so much more manageable after a little bit, and you can go back up.
Isn't that crazy? But that's your brain. That's why it clears, and that's why this machine is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Atta girl. Gee, where do you want it?
That's true.
All around this foot. The top part.
One of our favorite lunch spots, Flower Child. I get the forbidden rice bowl with steak, the Mother Earth bowl
With chicken.
chicken. He always cuts my steak for me.
Like a little kid. And I always steal a piece too.
Thank you. We need like one more cup holder. When we go. Perfect timing.
To what? Beat the traffic?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Oh, 1 hour, 1 minute. He gone.
We're going to sushi tonight. Oh wait, I'm gonna get copyrighted. We're going to sushi tonight. Should we bring the vlog to sushi?
I think we should. Ah! What should I get at
What
sushi?
was that?
Scared of the camera falling.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna get some salmon sashimi. Might get an albacore hand roll. And then maybe I'll split a roll with your pops. He's always down to split the protein roll.
We're gonna get a California roll. Maybe a spicy tuna.
Spicy tuna roll.
I look tired.
He's been reading your sad book. Oh, in the camera.
Yeah, I started a book that's making me sad.
Bump.
I actually have no idea what my book is called, to be honest.
We got a lot of people on our walking trail today.
I know.
You know?
Kind of surprising because it's like not the nicest day. Sushi.
Sushi date.
Oh.
This is such a good roll.
Got spicy tuna.
I love this one.
It's really spicy. Spicy California.
Missing a
Excuse
piece.
me. Firecracker. It really is protein. On fire. Spicy chicken katsu. This one is extremely spicy.
My day